Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be taking you through the Waves website. In Waves, you can create customized tokens of your own and launch it as your own digital currency. Get started with blockchain. Gain access to the Waves platform's solutions for storing, trading, managing, and issuing your digital assets easily and securely. Become part of a fast-growing area of the crypto world. Create a multi-currency wallet and invest in verified crypto assets and the underlying Waves platform token. You can click this button to learn more. Decentralized exchange. A total of 16,000 tokens have been released on Waves, totaling a market of more than $1 billion. You can see their social media. You can check out what their news are. Also, you can enter your email over here to subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment down below. You can also check out the Waves Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin.